Welcome to Remodel Republic, a premier kitchen and bath design firm located in Gwinnett County. We welcome you to come in, meet with our degreed designers who have years of experience in helping you achieve the goal that you'd like to achieve in your home. What sets us apart from other firms is that we actually have designers on staff who are trained to help with the cabinetry layout as well as the interior design of your home. We work in all areas of the home, and we would love to make your home remodeling dreams come true. We've partnered with many brands that are well known in the industry so that we can provide you with a full service turnkey project that you will enjoy for years to come. Please stop by. We would love to meet with you. Thank you very much for choosing to spend your time with Remodel Republic, a family business who wants to help families. Thank you.